Okay, so another batch of knife. I did a previous batch, about 12 straight blade kitchen knife and peelers and that sort of thing. And they were so happy with the result that they brought me some of this serrated blade. And she asked me if I sharpen peelers as well. I said, yeah, I do everything. She even gave me her pizza cutter. This one is pretty damaged. Let me see here if I can put it under the microscope. The blade is kind of warped. I said, I don't know if I'm going to be able to save it, but I'll try. So today I'm going to try to get these serrated blades. They don't look that bad, to be honest. Yeah, they're fairly sharp, but I mean, they could need a little bit of a polishing kind of thing, so I'm going to try to do that. Oh yeah, that's much better. This one is really sharp. This one is worn down. Okay, this one, trail. Now these guys, it's bent a little. I might still be able to sharpen it. So I went and asked for a potato. Got good scissors. These are bevels. Lady said they cut paper, okay, but they don't cut plastic. Paper is fine. She gave me a bag of Amazon that she cuts often. See? It's not cutting. If I go here, cuts a little bit. But it's not cutting like that. So I'm gonna clean the back. Sound a bit better. Still cut paper well. Let's see about this here. No improvement. This one I'm not gonna touch, but this one's got a bevel. This one I can sharpen. Where's my... I just want to hit that red line. Oop, almost. Put it on the wrong side, dummy. Aha. Okay. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. It's a nice straight piece here. Oh gosh, yeah. Tip is good. It's the middle. It's right here. Let's put a mark on it. Right there. It felt like there was a bump in it, like a lump. Still need some. Wonder if this blade, you should cut like this all over. I think I know what it is. I need to bend the scissor a little bit. Unfortunately, these don't have any adjustment. So what happened is the scissor has to be like this. And when they go down, this is what happened. If the scissors is straighter on one side and this one is like that, you end up with a gap instead of having like a shear action. What I would need to do is bend it a little bit. I'm gonna go look on the microscope to see if I'm seeing anything. I looked under the microscope and there was a bump there. It's like a S curve. So I went on the butcher block. So I had to go like bend here, bend here, bend here, bend until you finally get like somewhat of a, you don't want a straight edge. Your scissor needs to be slightly curving against each other when you cut like that. When you cut and you get something like a big size, and sometimes you cut hard as you can, and then what happens is the blades separate. I mean, there could be 20 reasons why this could happen. But I went and straightened the blade, and now cut smoothly, just like when they came out of the factory. Perfect. Of the whole blade from start to finish. Very smooth. It's like butter. So that's all it was. There was nothing wrong with the sharpening. It was the blade that was crooked. I'm glad I spent as much time as I did on it because I learned something today. But now they cut perfectly. She's gonna be happy. She's gonna be happy, and that's what matters. I think I'm happier than she will because I was able to figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna start owning, and that's it. Clean them up and they're good to go.
We are your habitat and sanctuary guardians, and we're here to help with anything you may need help with.